Hello everyone and welcome back to KnowHow. If you want your Excel chart to look more professional and easier to read, then this quick tip is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to add and customize tick marks in Excel charts. We'll also learn the difference between major tick marks and minor tick marks. And I will explain all the available tick marks option in just a few minutes. So let's get started. Here I have a simple data set showing the monthly sales of a company. Now I will select this data and insert a line chart. I'll go to the Insert tab and here I'll click on this line chart. I'll select this chart title and press delete to delete it. I'll move this chart to the left side. As you can see, Excel has created a simple line chart. Before adding tick marks to this chart, let's first understand what tick marks are. Tick marks are the small lines displayed along the chart axis. They help reader identify values more accurately and make charts look cleaner and more professional. You will often see them in research papers, business reports, presentations, and scientific publications. Now let's add them. To add the tick marks on the y-axis, I will click to select it. When your y-axis will be selected, on the right, it will open the options related to the format axis. Here I will select this axis option, and under the axis option, I have this tick mark option. So I will click this arrow to expand. Under this I have the major type, and at this time it is selected as none. If I click on this drop down button, it will give me different positions where I want to add my tick marks. For example, if I want to add them on the inside, I'll select it and you can see that the major tick marks are added to my y-axis. Similarly, if I click on this button and click for the minor tick marks as well on the inside, the minor tick marks are also added. To add them on the x-axis, I have to select the x-axis similarly as we have done for the y-axis, but here you can see that the color is light gray. So if I want to change the color of the tick marks as well, then first I will go to this line and fill option, and here I will change the color of the line from the light gray color to the black color. Again I will go to this axis option, and under the axis option for the x-axis, again I will select the major tick marks to the inside, and for the minor tick marks again for the inside. So you can see that the tick marks are added. We can also change the position of the tick marks. For example, if I select this to the cross, then you can see that the tick marks are crossing my x-axis line. And for the minor, again I will select this cross. So in this way you can customize your tick marks color, their position, and it will make your chart more professional and look amazingly good. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to KnowHow channel and press the notification bell so you never miss future Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.